Heading news on IT sector companies. India's third largest IT services firm, HCL Tech, just posted its April to June quarter numbers for financial year 26 and IT wasn't pretty. Net profits slumped nearly 10% year-on-year to 3,843 crore rupees, missing street estimates. What went wrong? A dip in productivity gains, lower employee utilization, delays in program execution, and a one-time hit from a client bankruptcy dragged profits down. Operating margins too fell to 16.3%, another pressure point for the company. On the revenue front, HCL Tech reported 30,349 crore rupees, up 8.2% year, driven by financial services, engineering R&D, and strong Europe and India business. In constant currency terms, though, revenues dipped 0.8% sequentially. Deal wins were muted at $1.8 billion in total contract value, a sharp drop from the previous $2.99 billion. Management remains optimistic about deal closures in the coming quarter though. Meanwhile, India's largest IT firm, TCS, had some good news for its employees. TCS announced 100% variable pay for over 70% of its workforce for Q1, with payouts for senior staff depending on business performance. However, no clarity yet on annual wage hikes, as the macro environment stays weak, and TCS struggles with revenue declines in dollar terms for 3 consecutive quarters. The IT sector's in for a challenging year. Will deal closures and margin recovery turn things around in Q2? Follow for the latest market movers and updates.